I'm Michelle from Nerdy Moms United, and today we're going to talk about how to set up a backup plugin on your WordPress site. I'm going to take you to my dashboard so you can see exactly how I do it. Okay, so now we're in the back end of my WordPress site. Yours would look a little different. You just log in, and first we're going to look for that plugin. So we're going to go to Plugins. I'm going to go Add New. And we're going to look for Updraft Plus. Now, Updraft Plus has a paid and free version. I just use a free version. I get everything I need. Here it is, Updraft Plus WordPress Backup Plugin. They let you save your backup wherever you want. Also, they do not charge you when you need to do a restore. This is important because you do not want to have to be put in a position where you have to pay to restore your website. That's ridiculous. Other plugins do that to force you to buy their pro version. Updraft Plus does not do that, and that's why I like them so much. You can have multiple backups. Have them load wherever you want, like your Dropbox or your Google Drive or anywhere else, or it'll even email it to you. That's great, because you always need to keep a couple backups just in case if something happens. So all you do is hit install now. As you can see, mine's already installed, but normally you'd see this kind of button that says install now. Once it's installed, you would hit activate. Once it's activated, you just come to your WordPress bar right here, and you will find it under Settings, Updraft Plus Backup. It also gives you a link up here in your top bar as well. You can get to it in either way. I already have mine set up. I have mine do it every day late in the evening, so that way I have backups, and I have it set up to give me 4 backups, so for the last 4 days, so that way if I have to go back, I can get that. So I'm going to go to Settings, and this is where you would set up your schedule. You want it to happen daily, and you want 4 backups. Not 4 backups that day. It would just hold on to the last 4 days of backups. You also want it to do the database backup, because that's important. That is the framework of your whole site. If that gets messed up, you are in big trouble. So you want that too. And down here, you can pick where you want it to send your backup. I like the fact that you have so many choices to choose from. I have it sent to my Google Drive for one of my accounts that I use for my business only, for Nerdy Moms United. So I pretty much just went ahead and told it to go to my Google Drive, and I wanted it to stay there. You can also have it sent to your email as well, or if you have a Dropbox, that's great too. So a lot of options. So I clicked on that. I told it what folder I wanted it to be named, so that way I can find it, which I think that's the default name, which is fine. I want the backup to have backup of the plugins, my theme, and uploads. And my uploads hold all my pictures and files that I offer on my site. So I wanted to make sure those were there as well. And I don't mess with these settings. I just left them the way they were. Same thing with this one, because I want everything to get backed up. Now, if you want it to go to Google Drive or an email box, you need to check this box to have a basic report sent to let you know that it's been backed up, because that's important. When you do set up your Google Drive, it's a two-part process because you have to save, and then they're going to want your email. So the Google Drive box you want it to go to. Also, they have some privacy policies that you might want to know about, but just follow the prompts and do exactly what they want you to do. They even have easy instructions right here to authenticate to your Google Drive. And just follow the instructions. It's really easy. It doesn't take very long. It might take you 5 or 10 minutes. But it's awesome, and that's what you really want to do to get your backups in a safe place where you can restore them. Once you're done, just hit the save button right down here. It's really simple, really easy, and it gives you peace of mind that you have backups and you have complete access to them, and you can restore anytime you want. The biggest mistake new bloggers make is they do not have a backup or a way to restore from a backup. And that's important, because if you don't have that, then you're up a creek without a paddle if you don't have this. And you really don't want that frustration of trying to rebuild posts and pages you built, or even a sales funnel that you built on your WordPress site using Elementor. That's more frustrating than having to rebuild all that. You don't want that, and why would you want to waste your time having to do that? So save yourself time and frustration. Get yourself Updraft Plus to back up and restore your sites. That way you are good to go. And I do have something special for you. Like I said earlier, I have my security video down below to help you set up your security for your WordPress site. Also, I have an easy link for you to use to get that WordPress plugin down below as well. So that way you don't have to search in plugins for it. That way it's quick and easy for you to get that plugin and be on the road. If you like my videos, subscribe and like. Check out my website, nerdymomsunited.com. Got questions or comments, leave them below. I will answer you back. And I look forward to seeing you next time.